Well, hello there, traveler. Why don't you remove your pack, tie up your horse, and have a seat right there on the bench. Rest your lazy bones. You're not a prospector, you're a YouTube viewer, and I mean, I don't really know if there's a difference. Probably not. Hey, how's it going? Nope. Okay, why do I talk? I don't really know. Hi, I'm SB Mitch. You can give me a follow on social media. You can subscribe. You could do whatever you feel like doing because YouTube is a wasteland of whatever. Hi, pals. Hey, it seems like it's been a really long 2 weeks without a beater box, but we're back. Sole Supremacy beater boxes are back. This box is $600 plus $50 to ship it here, straight to Chicago, Illinois, for a grand total of $650. The counter, its name is clearance. You can just call it counter if you want to. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors that affect the value of a shoe. Then we're going to break down the entire box, compare how much I paid versus the estimated market value, and see how much profit there is in this box. Keep in mind too that the prices that pop up on your screen are just the market value, not how much the shoes are for sale for. If you're interested in seeing how much the shoes are for sale for, oh, this poor sentence structure. Whatever. SBMitch.com. Today it's 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Most of these shoes will be there for sale. Let's open the box and see what's going on in here. $600 boxes usually seem to do very well, so hopefully this one is the same type of box. What am I talking about? What is going on here? Oh, is this a Jordan 2012? Okay, so there's a humongous box inside of this box. It's exhibit. It's like pimp my ride thing. Get it? Nope. It's this huge thing. Oops, I just swore. I didn't mean to. It's a Jordan 2012. It's one pair, but it's got 3 aspects to it. It's really weird. I'm getting this out of the way because I'm sure the value on this isn't too great. So the top part has like an insert and everything. This is the actual shoe. These are the Wolf Gray Air Jordan 2012s. That's the shoe itself. They're in okay shape. They come with the original inserts and everything. And the bottoms are a little bit dirty, but it's a Volt and Wolf Gray looking color. Now, here's where it gets weird. Well, not weird, but so the second compartment that's in here has this in it. So what it basically is, I mean, I'm not gonna take the laces off, but you have the shoe itself right here. It has a lower profile. You can put this inside of it and have a higher profile. But by itself, I mean, you wouldn't wear it by itself because it's like basically one of those stupid Yeezy scuba shoes or whatever. But basically you have these 2 parts and one can make it a higher profile and a lower profile. And then I think the last compartment is the insoles. Yeah, it's just the insoles. It's called Fly Around, Fly Over, and Fly Through. It looks like the Fly Through insole is in there right now. But it's a weird shoe. Probably not much value considering the fact that the packaging is pretty cool. But they're a size 12. It's an Air Jordan 2012 Wolf Gray colorway. That took up like half the box. Hopefully the rest of these shoes are really good. Ugh. We'll get that later. There is a pair of loose shoes in here. They're kind of buried. Oh, there's only 5 pairs of shoes in this box. This is a Jordan 5 in a size, is that 8 or 9.5? That's an 8.5. They are worn. These are the Stealth 5s. These came out in like 2011, I think. What's the date on these? Way later than that. 2006. So these are, wow, these are actually in really great shape for being super old. You got lace locks here. Insoles are in great shape. I mean, you can see the Jumpman in there, fully intact, very cool. Outsoles just have a little bit of discoloration. They do have some age on them, so they're probably a little bit of a riskier wear, but nice clean colorway. 8.5 isn't a great size for 5s. A lot of people I know that like 5s are larger footed folks, but still, no box, really good shape, 8.5. Jordan 5 Stealth. There's 3 more in here. And there is a 350. I'm just gonna get out of the way. Got an Adidas.
2 hours later.
I just laughed for like a good 45 seconds at Adidas. It's an Adidas in a size 9.5. Wow, okay, I just had a pair of these in another box and I just sold a pair in another box. These are in good shape, actually. It's a pair of Beluga 2.0s. Really clean colorway for an Adidas. Let's check the insole. A good way to check on Adidas's is to check the insole and see how much of the lettering is gone. But overall, these are pretty decent shape. It's a good time of year to get this kind of shoe because no one's gonna wear these in the middle of winter unless you live somewhere where there's not 15 feet of snow at some given time. But these are a size 9.5. They're in great shape. Yeah, they just need a quick cleanup. Size 9.5. Adidas, Beluga 2.0. I've been calling them Adidas all the time now, just so you know. Looks like we got a Kobe and a Jordan. I'm gonna do the Kobe. So we got a Kobe 9 Elite, or it's not an Elite, it's an EXT Quick Strike, and a size 11. No box lid, but this is the snakeskin Kobe. Are these dead stock? Okay, so good sign when it comes to shoes. If you can't tell if they're dead stock or worn, that means they're probably worn, but in very good condition. These are really, really out there. Look at the bottoms, very little wear. No heel drag, which is really rare for this. I don't know why, but Kobe 9s especially, the outsole likes to wear off a lot easier than a lot of other ones, but nice colorway. Kobe market right now is super confusing because obviously with the passing of Kobe Bryant, people have been, I gotta be careful when I say this, they're capitalizing off of his passing, possibly. Still a good shoe though. 9s are probably the most popular Kobe's, and looks like the reflective stuff on the heel is still in good shape. So there you go, size 11. It's got a box but no lid. Or Kobe 9 EXT snakeskins. And this is the last pair in this, what, 5-pair box? Wow. It's a size 9.5 Jordan 12. And this is a good one. These are in really nice shape. This is the 2016 release of the flu game. Jordan 12, obviously, as I just said, commemorating the NBA Finals game where Michael Jordan had the flu. Ooh, my fingers just cracked when I did that. And played through against the Utah Jazz and just absolutely went off. So this pair in particular, hardly any insole wear. Look at the outsoles, very little wear. These are in seriously really good shape. There's like hardly any toe box creasing too. It's just kind of a weird size for 12s, but cannot complain. Size 9.5, really great shape, flu game 12s, 2016 edition. And that is a $600 Sole Supremacy beater box. Quality over quantity in this one, I think. But let's see how the numbers match up in the breakdown. Pretty good box. Those Kobe's might be the money shoe. I don't know the value on those 2012s. Probably not super a lot, but I still think probably just on guessing, this is a pretty good box. So if you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be cleaned up and available today on my website. 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. SBMetch.com is where you can find it on the internet. Bye. If you stuck around this long, then you'll know I'm not going to give you any details because I want you to watch that video because I need views to have money to buy things to give away. That's how YouTube works. So find my video that came out before this and find out about the giveaway that's going on. It probably ends this weekend. So hey, thanks for watching. Have a really good weekend. I will see you sometime soon for another video that is probably about sneakers or a Chihuahua, but she is getting better, so there's the whole different thing. What am I talking about? Hey, have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Till next time, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun because sneakers are supposed to be fun. I forgot the Street Fighter thing again. Whatever. See ya.